Today we're going to talk about the flat iron steak. The flat iron was a really misunderstood piece of meat for a long time. I know some secrets about it. I'm here to share them with you. I'm Yankel. Let's get started. Flat iron steak sort of resembles one of the old-fashioned irons that people used to use for their clothing. We have this 100-pound piece of shoulder. It's got a lot of gristle, a lot of connective tissue, but within the shoulder are these tender muscles. And what they did was they found a way to extract the tissue and leave you with these two beautiful, tender, flat iron steaks. I push down on the steak to make sure that it has really good contact with the pan so I get a good even sear. What's a great steak without a great salad? I'm pairing it today with a citrus vinaigrette, some pomegranate, and some roasted vegetables. A great salad needs a great vinaigrette. Here's what we're gonna do. Orange juice, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and mustard. That's the baseline. And what we do with that is we add the oil really, really slowly. That's the secret to keeping it all together. Slow and steady. So I'm gonna just break this down into a smaller size. And now I'm gonna turn my steak so that I'm cutting against the grain. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. We love making these videos for you, but we need your help to make them even better. If you want to help out, fill out the survey below and tell us what you thought. I'm Yankel. I'll see you in the next one.